Hey guys, Neil from ProjectDirtBike.com. Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be talking about restoring plastics and why you shouldn't be using heat. So as part of my rebuild for the XR250, I've had to do all of the plastics, side panels, front and rear, and a gas tank. All of them were pretty bad, some worse than others, but I chose to sand them, not heat them. And the main reason for that is because heating plastic will make it go brittle. So even if it doesn't get to the point of melting, you're changing the structure of the plastic, and the next time you come off or ding the bike, that plastic's going to be a lot more brittle, likely to snap. So you should be sanding your plastics. Sanding the plastics means that you're going to get out all of those scratches and grooves. It will mean you're going to get a rougher surface to start with, but then it's your job to bring it back up through the grades until you get to a point where you're a really fine grade and it's effectively polishing the plastic, and that's what's going to introduce a shine back to the plastic. So this plastic here, this is one of the better ones, and I haven't yet done it because it takes ages. Sanding takes forever. I've spent hours sanding the plastics on the XR, and that's why this isn't done yet, because I've put it in between other jobs just to try and break it up. And these have been done already. They look mint. They look really nice. The front fender, which I've got here, I'm more than happy with it, but after doing the tank, I actually trialled the tank going a little bit further with the grade, so I actually go up to a 2500 grit now, whilst these only gone to a 1200, and the difference is phenomenal. I will put a picture up of the gas tank so you can see the shine on it, but yeah, it's really worth doing the extra couple of grades on that. The whole process I have documented. There's a video about it on the YouTube channel, and also on the blog. So on the blog there's a step-by-step guide as to what grades I start with, the different interval of grades, and the different kind of methods I use. If you're interested in checking that out, then you can head over to projectdirtbike.com/plastics. So just go to Google, type that in, and the first result will take you directly to that article. But yeah, short and sweet today. Heating is cheating. Don't do it. Get the sandpaper out and get yourself some good results. Until next time, I'll see you again. Hey guys, if you can hit the thumbs up to give me a like, that would be much appreciated. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do that now by just clicking the subscribe button down in the bottom right hand corner, and then you're never going to miss another video.